All right, so now that we have all of the hardware that we need for our Z-Wave 300 here, we're going to go ahead and do the install. So now I've got the latch. We're going to go ahead and fit it into the door here. Then we'll go ahead and start these screws and make sure they're in there. Then we'll tighten those down. Try not to strip out our screws there, huh? And here we go. Now that's on there nice and tight. The next step will be to remove the packaging from our lock here. So looks like there we go. And the instructions tell us that we'll need this mounting plate. Based on the instructions, we have a left-handed door here, which means that our tailpiece needs to be in here vertically. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get everything lined up in here. And then what we'll do is we'll put on this mounting plate and slide it on like that. And what we'll do is start our screws by hand and get the hang on there. All right, and then we can go ahead and start tightening that down with our screwdriver. So there's the first screw. There's our second one. And now we just want to make sure that everything's on here straight. And it looks like we were really off there, but now we should be on here pretty straight. Looks pretty good to me. Go ahead and tighten those inside screws right there. Now it looks like the interior plate, what we have to do is make sure that our turn button is turned to the right direction. We need to make sure that we line up our wire harness red spot to red spot and plug it in just like that. It's real nice and easy. Then what we'll do is we'll take our mounting screws, put them into the back plate, and then we'll just go ahead and tighten those down and get it nice and secure. That next one in there. And now for the last one. All right, so this lock does require 4 AA batteries. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with those, but what we do have are our own. So what we'll do is put these in here. Up, down, up, down. And now that's really cool. What it's doing is flashing on the front so that you can see all of the numbers. And then we will put this back plate on and tighten it on. Now we're ready to go ahead and do our programming.